Right, hello YouTube, my name is Avikash. Today I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Access database in full screen mode, that is to open the database file without showing Microsoft Access, so it looks like a professional application. As you can see, I have a simple Microsoft Access file over here. I'm just gonna open it to show you what I mean. Now as you can see, this is Microsoft Access database, but there is no sign of Microsoft Access opening. You can see saying my database, and there's all my buttons, and you can put buttons however, like if I click form 1, my form opens. I can enter data here and say, and then close form, it comes up to main menu, and when I press exit, it exits out of the database. So no sign of Microsoft Access, not even down here, not even application icon, nothing. Okay, Microsoft Access is a very powerful software. Let me just open it inside Microsoft Access. I can see here my forms, and okay, let me show you how I did it. Okay, the trick is very simple actually. This is my form 1. If I have any design view, this is the menu it's showing, and when I click the button form 1, it actually opens this form 2. But now to make it all run outside of Microsoft Access, what we do is we create another form, blank form, as you can see here, design, and put just a background color, nothing on it, and on this form we write some codes. Very simple. Just on this forms, select form here. On this form, on load event, you write this code. Very simple codes. Just like do cmd.maximize, so when the form starts, it maximize, and then also open the first form you want to open. This is the code for opening the form. So when your database start, this form will go maximize and it will open form 1. Okay, another thing you need to do is go up to file menu and options, and on your current database you can change the application icon, so Microsoft Access icon doesn't show in the database name, and it says which form it will open when your database start. Then you have to select background, so your background form, that form will open, and on load the code will fire and the form will go maximize, and your form 2 will show. But the one thing to note is when you do this, it will run inside Access. So how to make it run outside Access, that's the key of this tutorial. So what you do is you select your form. This is the form. Let me close this one. It's the form, and on your form's all properties, you go to all properties of the form and scroll up, sorry, and you see pop-up. You set pop-up to yes. That's the trick. You set pop-up to yes, then this form will pop out of Access, and Microsoft Access will no longer show. Another thing you will need to remember is the first form showing, that is this main menu. Let me close this form, so no more not this save. Okay. Another thing to remember, on this form you have also all the other forms you're using, you have to set the pop-up property to yes here, and on this form also you have to set the model property to yes. So what will happen is this form will be always on top. The model property says to make the form always on top. Otherwise, what will happen if you don't set the model property to yes is when you click on the background form, which will be outside all over here, this form will go, that will come on the foreground, and this will hide. So you have to set the model properties to yes, so this form will be always on top. And to navigate, that is actually out of sorry, not covered in this course, but I was just want to show it. To navigate, select form 1, and on click event of this form, you can see I'm just closing this form and opening another form. That's all you have to do. It's a bit simple coding, but the key to this tutorial is this. Just have to set, sorry, select form over here, just to set the pop-up property of the form to yes. Hopefully this will help you, and happy coding. Okay, thank you.